Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how we could reference a journal article using an APA style or American Psychological Association. So let's start with how we could write it in a sequence. So in a sequence you have to write it as first surname of the author, then the first name of the author, only his first letter, okay? First letter of the first name. Now, if there is another author and another author, what are you gonna do? If there's two, then you're gonna only put full stop, comma, and this and sign. If that's the case, then you're gonna do the exact same thing you did with the first author. Then after that's finished, you're gonna put a full stop here, as I just did right now. If, however, there is not more than two authors, you do the exact same thing unless you just forget writing this part. Okay, you remove that part and you follow as many as letter authors there are. Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna put publication date in a bracket, then full stop, title of journal article, full stop, then title of the journal it was published in italic form, comma, the volume number, comma, in an issue number in bracket. So title of journal and volume number all in italics, okay? So the issue number in bracket and the comma again, and then the pages number followed by full stop and the DOI. The DOI is a digital object identifier, basically the URL of the specific journal that helps finding the journal easier for your reader. So let's start with the an example. So example I have here is a journal from a website in the internet. So let's start. So we have here, as you can see, the author's name. So the surname is Kid in this case, comma. Then we have Celeste, but we only write the first name, and so the followed by full stop, comma. Then we have and like that. Hayden. B and Y full stop finish. So we have publication date here as 2015, like that. And the title of journal article is Psychology and Neuroscience of Curiosity, followed by full stop. The title of journal is Neuron. So Neuron is a journal publisher. You're gonna write it on as italic form, followed by a comma. Volume number is 88. So again, that's in italic form. You're gonna follow by a 3. That's like that. Then followed by a then you're gonna write the pages number like 449, 460. Once that's done, you're gonna put full stop here. DOI is this one. You're gonna open it up, and it gives you the you can then copy and paste the DOI, which is very easier. So just like that, you can see, copy it, paste, just like that. Make sure it's all same coloring, and remove the link as well. And remove the link. That's like that. Okay. So that's how you actually reference a journal article using APA style. So let's just finish it up with seeing how it can be seen in a text citation example. So in text citation, you usually do in two way. You usually just copy and paste a certain article you want to put in your writing. So for instance, we could just say according you could just write according to Kid and Hayden 2015. You want to put comma like that, you want to put this quote mark like that, rather than worry about that. So this is exactly for when you want to copy and paste just from the article itself into your writing. Okay, then you must include the quote like that. You must include the quote. Once that's done, you want to make sure you finish it up with writing the page number. So this is the first page, so they would be 449. Okay, once that's done, finish. Okay, that's just finished. So that's how you can reference it off. However, if you just want to reference, if you want to use their findings or their discussion or whatever, but you don't want to exactly using their ideas, but you don't want to exactly quote what they said, you want to make sure you write it as following. So you want to put bracket, Kid and Hayden then followed by a comma, then 2015, then the page number. So page number, for instance, you may have found some interesting things in their page 445, okay? Maybe the discussion. So then that's how you're gonna write it for a normal citation. But if you want to copy it, you're gonna use it like this. So that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and if you could possibly consider donating, that would be superbly appreciated. Like and subscribe, that would be appreciated too. Thank you very much and have a great day.